And me tap and talk to them nice lady over there, so see them there. Big up on her there. She afraid of camera. But beautiful ladies not shy, you not tell her.
St. James Road, right over St. James Road, right over 10 St. James Road, you know it come down.
Big up yourself.
Bombard. Every little thing.
You're a real hustler, touch me now, man.
Hustler.
Big up every time. You know, so I go sponsor you before I go. Because see, you have all the jello them, I can carry two jello for my daughter and thing. You have it. What the right?
Sweetie.
Peanut cake or peanut brittle. Yeah, massive. Remember that now? Look good now, man, a peanut brittle. Jesus, peace.
Never be a hustler.
That is it, man.
Not shame to sell nothing.
But why you big up somebody? Big up somebody right here now. Some people you say.
Big up the hustler them downtown, hustler them in a Rollington Town. Big up Miss Pam. What's your name? Kian, where them hustler there?
Yes.
Yeah.
Big up your friend to run from the camera.
Yeah, big up Rhone because she run from the camera. Big up my brother them shop around that one part on this. So big up all the local hustler them boy, you know.
Figure that, God. Big up yourself and respect.
Big up myself, Shika.
That is
one
it.
Shika, never two.
Good evening. I am in. Actually, a big chef. You buy from a regular. Like a years. More you say chicken a broke nose, you know. Yeah, and a crick neck. Yes, man, that's over here. Give you a shout out on Instagram. You like how you're polite. You do no business on your own, you can promote it.
Yeah, gifted fingers.
See the gifted fingers. Oh, so you have a salon and thing. Yeah, man, she want enough pepper.
No, I don't want pepper.
Come on, what you name? Maybe come ask you, you know.
Marlene.
Miss Marlene, so you can check out Miss Marlene.
Otherwise, soupy.
Otherwise called soupy. You don't know, say in Jamaica too, we always have them named. If you cook soup, you're soupy. If there's a jerk chicken, there's a jerk chicken woman or a jerk chicken man. You understand? That is it. There's a shout out for her. Nice and beautiful, clean and step out. No joke, no doubt. Yeah, man. So, on the sister, we have all our dolly them in our place. We have the big dolly them, and we have a nice and sweet trim dolly them around there. So, big up yourself and take care here. Be safe always. Are you running off a business? Oh, I think it was a gentleman. No, sorry about that, my friend. I'm Jamaica Walk By. Fabian from Jamaica Walk By. I'm just doing an episode on Giltress Avenue. I have a nice pleasant smile like you and attitude. Make a video and come talk about your business. Yeah. So, this look like a driver driving?
Yes, I drive.
It look like your engine?
Yes, I have engine.
What's the real equipment here? Watch out. So she actually drive this and sell broom, me see comb, rags, me see rake, me see so much stuff. Eh? You have a lot of them here, say. Watch out.
Alright. Give him a blink off for your light.
Light and thing.
Show him say that I know those fabrication.
So, it have, watch out, watch out.
No man, I'm a
here all the hand blow. Oh, bad. How will make it? An indicator.
Alright. I'm brakes thing.
Come, my friend, man, no hide, man. The people don't want to see you. Watch it.
It have brakes thing.
Indicator, brakes, and steering. And...
yeah, man, I'll gear in it too.
Yo, wait, man. Me have to talk to that nice lady. Me said, that is it, man. Big up yourself, man. You must foreigner, because my friend and them love me. Good job. Thank you for watching. Let's stop, my friend. I want Dolly to Rockstone. Big up yourself, my friend. Me not cut here, my godfather, but she's a supporter of mine. And me just alright, let me turn it so. Touch me then. Big up and respect. Godfather, blessings and love. See? Big up all my Kingstonian massive. You don't know. Big up every time. Mad love, mad respect. Look which out I'm standing right about now. Oh my word. You understand how many persons can tell me which school is this? Good evening, good evening. Good evening. Yeah. No joke, no doubt. You understand? Yeah, so this is one of the most popular schools inside of the inner city, you know what I mean? As I see big sign, so welcome to our school. This video is all about a requested video for Giltress Avenue. You understand? So we're gonna start it by the school here in Kingston. So if you follow to this intersection, you know what I mean? Yeah. Follow to this intersection right here, you can see exactly where I'm gonna be starting it from. See? Yeah, no joke. And we are going to walk down the road. Yeah. to Giltress Avenue. You know what I mean? No joke, no doubt. So if you're not ready, please maybe gonna start like the video right now. You see me I say? Yeah. So as you can see the sign up there, so you understand? Look good. You don't know Jamaica, we have problem with them thing here. You see me I say? Yeah. So right so it's Catterwood Drive. You understand? Yeah, Catterwood Street. You see me? So yeah, this is the primary school. And already, as we are going to do the walk. Remember, it's not a narrating video. We're just going to show you exactly what the place look like in an hour time as we walk through Jamaica and show people what the place look like. So this is not one of my familiar territory and thing. As I said, it's a requested video. So we are going to walk Giltress Avenue in downtown Kingston, or I say Kingston, inner city style. See? So bless up to everybody who just joined the video right now. You see me I say, please run the video to 1,000 likes and thing. We're on a mission in Jamaica where we are trying to get as much video done as possible and thing. You see me, we now waste no time because people them want to see the place them seen. So big up to all my subscribers, my supporters, my member. Alright, Robert, you tell me say me always a big up up here YouTubers, me big up. There are so much persons that have big up in my videos them that are totally not YouTubers or anything at all, but then just support Jamaica walk by to another level. You understand? So sometimes when I hear me big up some people, it's not that they are YouTubers, but they are regular people. As I say, a whole heap of regular people me big up daily, man. You see me I say? So big up yourself, Robert, same speed, and everybody in New York and thing, you see me? Yeah, and big up all the new people them to on the channel. We welcome you all. Remember, no negativity, we just there show the natural vibe in Jamaica. If I no love and no nothing else, you understand? Yeah, that is it. Good evening again, ladies. I found a supermarket this. Yeah, Jamaica walk by. I meet the ask which at the school there. I told me they want to start my walking video. So it's a requested video, so it's not my familiar here. You know what I mean? So that's why I have to make sure I'm on the right road. So blessed and love here. Giltress Avenue is the motive for today. If you don't know about Jamaica walk by, you can check out it. We do walking video all around in Jamaica and everywhere. And things. Well, just life. We don't really talk about me promote businesses, me showcase. You know, people don't see the place here a long time. Can't see where the place look like now and thing. Oh, see it? So that's why I ask if I hear a supermarket, because if you want a supermarket that, I want them wholesale center there. As you know here. You're not afraid of camera? No. That means you say you go along with yourself, you know. Alright, so this is Jamaica walk by exactly this. So massive, look good. So me I pass a while ago, you know, and when me never sure if me up on the right road for the school, as when I see school up there, so I me tap and talk to the nice lady over there, so see them there, big up on her there. She afraid of camera, but beautiful ladies not shy, you not tell her. Yeah, well, I'm coming over there. Yeah, so see her nice business, yeah, look good. So it look like she go buy out the whole of foreign and just bring it come to Jamaica and say, oh, see the good things them here. You understand? Look good now, man. Yeah. So she have from Cologne to, you don't know, all of your Dove, the Irish Spring them, me see Zest, me see Axe, me see Cologne, me see all of the body spray them and thing. Me all see them white t-shirt like a Jesus wash them and thing. Them they out here, Roland, Dove, all different kind of brand of Roland for the man them and beer things. Right by the street side, no joke. You understand? That is it. So if you're in the area and you want them a thing, you don't have to bother go in a store. Just stop right on the corner here and get the thing them. You understand? Where's that? Cheap, quick sale, small profit. Figure that. I wish part with it. Tell them, because they must think a joke.
St. James Road, right over St. James Road, right over 10 St. James Road. You know it come down.
Big up yourself. Bombard.
Every little thing.
You're a real hustler. Touch me now, man.
Hustler.
Big up every time. You know, so I go sponsor you before I go. Because see, you have all the jello them. I can carry 2 jello for my daughter and thing. You have it. What it?
Sweetie.
Peanut cake or peanut brickle.
Yeah.
Yeah, massive. You remember that now? Look good now, man. A peanut brickle. Jesus,
Sweetie.
Sweet.
And about thing we say, we're not afraid and we're not ever be a hustler.
That is it, man.
We're not shame to sell nothing.
But why you big up somebody? Big up somebody right here now. Some people you
Big
say.
up the hustler them downtown, hustler them in a Rollington Town. Big up Miss Pam. What's your name? Kian, where them hustler there?
Yes.
Yeah.
Big up your friend to run from the camera.
Yeah, big up Brownie because she run from the camera. Big up my brother them shop round that one part on this. So
Yeah.
big up all the local hustler them boy, you know.
Figure
And
that,
hustle, we say.
man. Big up yourself and
Big
respect.
up myself, Shika.
That is
One
it.
Shika, never two.
You get no youth yet?
Sweetie. Yeah, me have a youth, man.
Big up all of your youth, them
Big up
same
my youth.
speed. You see me, I
Big up
say?
my youth, yeah.
That is it, man. Big up our blessings and respect, you see? So, you don't know where they right on St. James Street and we are going to walk all of Giltress and see what go on the Gill Street. That is it. See the supermarket over there, so
Yeah.
all of the things them for convenience store, forward and come by. Then call it Browning. That is it, but don't joke, my hustler friend. One love and blessings.
One
Hear
Shika,
that?
never two.
That is it.
Big up yourself,
One
man.
Shika. Big up yourself.
Never.
Alright, Brownie, me turn the camera a different way now so you can forward here. Yeah, man, me believe in you, me believe in me, man. See me I say to you over this, man. You can pause and sit down. Blessings and respect here. Alright. Shika. One love. Yeah, man, so we have to a great start. It's a beautiful vibe here on St. James Street. You see me I say? I will walk Giltress. No joke, no doubt. So remember, it's not a lot of persons that go walk up and keep a brownie asleep, man. Asleep on the job. You know? Some people won't want to go on the camera, but there's no problem with that. You see me? So we just go down to Giltress and thing. So most of them places in a town, you know, go see the sign them at all, you know. You understand? Giltress Avenue where I go. So I say bring it to 1,000 like Mama said, load up the comment section them if you don't love real authentic videos on Jamaica. You understand? If you love to see how Jamaica look like in our time, blessed love and respect. All my subscribers, please, I beg on if you like the video, drop some comment in the comment section, please. You understand? You know that more in the comment and anything that YouTube will recommend the videos and things and we can get it to more people. Yeah, Godfather. Good evening. Blessings. Yeah. So see it there. Giltress Avenue. No joke, no doubt. So so far when I'm here, you know, so it's not my regular spot for tell you the truth. So far when I'm here, them said the avenue lit. You understand? Big up to Lexi for that one now. I don't know Lexi normally circle in. Ooh. Lexi normally circle them place here a lot. You see me I say? So Lexi say, yo, you have to check out that place here because them have some nice bar and places where people that really want to see. You see me I say? No joke, no doubt. Look on the place good. Let's get it right. Ready up. So Giltress, Kingston. Yeah, let's go. Already. But just set up something real quick and fast. You know what I mean? Before we get it off to the right start. You see it? Yeah. Yeah, man. Whoa, yo. Alright, there we go. So we are set here now, already to move forward. You can see what the place look like. Alright, time to cross. Big up yourself, my friend. Alright, so yeah, me no know what I go on, me not stop drop my things them till like a joke thing. But yeah, let's start off. You know some music I play, so if you hear me mute it, you don't know. Because some music I play and me can't do the music right now. See? Yeah. No joke, no doubt. Let me see what grandma did over here, so. Greetings. Good evening, Grandma. Good afternoon. Jamaica walk by. Your blessings and respect for you. Now, if you introducing it to your channel, same way, you know. People want to see all of the authentic Jamaican vibe, living and everything. Because you see, we can't mimic that life here, you know. You understand? Yes, man. So, real videos them about Jamaica, you can check it out. Jamaica walk by. See? Godfather, what you selling?
You just have help that lady.
Yeah, help a big woman sell and thing. Boy, a whole heap of thing me say she have ya, man. I go on good. Shall I make it Callaloo life easier for the rest of people them way. Now be time to cut you up, not true? True. Liquid and thing look like yours I sell. Alright, blessings and love, yeah? Heart of love, man. Yeah, so let's see what Giltress Avenue look like in an hour time. So far it's a nice little vibe. Place look very lively. Can't take that from the spot here. Very lively. Love it. So far, so it's a good look. Manners, teacher.
See, I support fuckery. See, I support fuckery. You know one thing.
Yeah, loads of barber shop and things. A nice go vibe so far. What you mean? So when me here so far, it's like a vibrant neighborhood. It's like really good. Good evening, good afternoon. Jamaica walk by, you know? Jamaica walk by. Yeah, I'm a YouTuber. I do walking videos. Like showcase places, big up store, promotion, all of a little thing. Just walk through, show some good vibes, some good energy. So they always say that Giltress Road is a vibrant spot. Yeah. So then now somebody recommends something if you do a walk of Giltress. So be there today I show them the vibe. I say it's a great vibe so far. And so big up to the lady Rhone on the street. So we start off the video on a good vibe, good energy, showcase our business and things. Yeah. But more time I just see soldier them more time. You see them on the corner them not doing a video, you know, so that's why me all pass them. More time them not really boogie that way.
We know that way.
Yeah. So
my baby, me never say I do business. I'm there on the corner with them, me be able to see.
Yeah. Are your ends, sir?
Yeah, man, our ends, the whole place our ends.
Jesus, peace, man. So why another pot here?
A soup in a
soup, what kind of pot? I am a chef, I am a big chef.
Yeah, man,
Jesus, you can see what going there. Lord of mercy, man. Mad respect. So all of my massive them from Giltress talk about that spot here.
Yeah, man.
It not let you know down. You understand? 37 and a half Giltress. So look how the place clean, like they sweep right round the clock. Cause I don't know which are food are going, and no place have it clean and nice, and which is great. You see me I say? So look how we are doing it. We are walk the worst, yeah, a real thing, you know, Giltress. So we are walk the whole dress. Yeah. So it's a vibe. So we are going to proceed down the road and see all the vibes stay, all the energy stays, a natural vibe, and so far I'm loving it. So if you're forwarding up on a Friday, you don't know, say super go up on the corner, right? So if you can get, we see a bar there, right? So sit there. Oh man, oh yeah, sit there. Look good now, man. Sit there. Oh yeah, sit there right on the corner, so you can know, so you say it's a spot for Friday evening and thing. How when I went you out there? Every day except Sunday. So see it here. This is the type of vibe and energy we are talking about. In the place, make sure say on a stop here, so you have a bar the right so to as well, and barber shop. You say a wholesale down there, so you can go cut your hair and drink some soup. See? So fire big up yourself. We are going down there. You gas up sitting.
Yeah, man.
Jeez, that is it, man. Yeah. Authentic style, man. Don't play it. Oh, see that? See fire there. Gas up. This is how we do it. I'm frying it. You got that. Yeah, I know enough of you never see that before. So big up yourself, mad love, mad respect. It's Jamaica walk by here. You know, big up nobody. Yeah, big up somebody.
Big up.
No, you must have a
All
good.
of my customers, they must support me, you know, that's right.
Yes.
Always and forever. Shanty Sweet Park, you can get a variety of food right here. And thing. Can't call the number 2. Good soup, good food, everything. Pasta, wings and fries, tacos.
I saw you go.
Every wrap. Yeah, man. We have the normal dishes, cow food here, mutton here, fried chicken here, barbie fry and all. You can call me.
A big country that man, black right side. Yeah. So in the evening, when we finish this, I can come park up and get some feed. That is it. So massive, you know me stay already. Me always show. Anyway, me talk about something, I stop. Me always stop and come spend my money to eat some food. I don't know say we not promote, we not sample. You understand? Yeah. So me like this spot here. Look energetic and thing. But we are gonna walk. Me there so for a good while. But we go see how down the road stay. So you will see me again later. Yeah, one love. You will see me again later. Jamaica walk by. Alright, one love. Yeah, Jamaica walk by. That is it. Love that. Subscribe to you now. Figure that. Alright, so it's a vibe so far. And I don't know me stay already. Me work out for people, them energy. If energy right, we are going to a vibe. Yeah man, so Lexi said a nice little stretch, so make we see it. And I know some of the requested video them too as well. Big up to Soji roll out. Then daughter, you don't know. Jerk pan cross this so. Good evening. Oh, she run a jerk. Big up yourself, my friend. Oh, yeah, watch your road, yeah. I see one. Come through me driver. Come through me catch a bad machine there. That is it. I mean, actually a big chef. You buy from a regular. Like a years, man. More you say chicken a broke nose, you know. Yeah, and a crick neck. Yes, man, that's over here. Yeah. I'm Jamaica walk by, you know what I mean? Can't get a shout out, my friend, you know, for that camera. Give a shout out on Instagram. Okay, me give a shout out on Instagram. Yeah, me like how you're polite. Yeah. You do no business that you want, you can promote it.
Yeah, gifted fingers.
See the gifted fingers. Oh, so you have a salon and thing. Yeah, man, she want enough pepper.
No, no.
So what you say Instagram is?
Gifted fingers.
Gifted fingers. No
Yeah,
underscore no?
Yeah.
So gifted underscore?
Underscore Gabby. Which part of I for the in a gift is number 1.
It's number 1.
Yeah.
Alright then. Nicely done. Whoa, so here says a spot and I have to go sample too. No joke, no doubt. So we're currently just doing an episode on Giltress Avenue where we walk through, so the people is like, the vibe is like, the energy, you know, the pleasantness of the people, about the show people said this is a place where you can forward and come by, pass through, hold back a vibe and enjoy yourself and eat some good authentic Jamaican food. You see me I say, Mama where you name? Maybe come ask you, you know. Miss Marlene, so you can check out Miss Marlene.
Otherwise soupy.
Otherwise called soupy. You don't know, saying in Jamaica too, we always have them named. If you cook soup, you're soupy. If there's a jerk chicken, there's a jerk chicken woman or a jerk chicken man. You understand? That is it. So gifted fingers. So gifted fingers underscore Gabby. Big up yourself. So today is a shout out for her. Nice and beautiful, clean and step out. No joke, no doubt. Yeah man. So on the sister we have all our dolly them in our place. We have the big dolly them and we have a nice and sweet trim dolly them around there. So no joke, no doubt. So Giltress is off to a great vibe. Over there so we have the Rollington Town Health Center. Yeah. No joke, no doubt. So see, she get her chicken, she happy her money, and we are move through. So one love here, and they take it easy. Your place where you like group? No? Oh, you just a pass through?
We just have no shop up there.
Oh, that is it, man. Big up yourself and take care here. Be safe always. Yeah, man. Good evening. I want to run a big business here, Kubroom. Real Jamaican talk, this is a Kubroom. Floss and skirt, Kubroom. Huh? Everything got to go. Yes, I. I don't know how I never really know about this place. Right now, I tell you, say, the energy of the place just bright. Just bright. You can see the people, them just a buy and a sell and, you know, just a whole lot of energy and thing, which is really nice. Love it. It's a good look. Big up, man, are you run after business here? Are you run after business? Oh, I think it was the gentleman. No, sorry about that, my friend. I'm Jamaica Walk By, Fabian from Jamaica Walk By. I'm just doing an episode on Giltress Avenue where we walk through, see how the place looks, show the people them the vibrantness, everything we are going. You know? So every little thing when I see I can talk to, once the people them have a nice pleasant smile like you and attitude, I go video and come talk about your business. Yeah. So this look like a drive, Yes, I drive. It look like your engine.
Yes, I have engine.
Because it wait. Boy, too late. It's too late. Wait, no man, just be careful, no man. Make us see what go on. Me tell us we are natural. So you tell me, say, how would the blouse and skirt this at all? What's the real equipment here? Watch out. So she actually drive this and sell broom, me see comb, rags, me see rake, me see so much stuff right now on the real equipment here. This is incredible. Godfather, this is normal. This is normal, man. Blessing elder. So right now, this is the mobile. What would I call that store here now? Eh?
Mobile store.
The mobile store. Eh? All of the broom, them everything, we make sure so your house nice and clean. She drive around and sell them on the rural equipment here.
Chopper machine.
This is the first I'm seeing something like this. Yeah, climb up. Cheese and peace. Mama are digging, I take out our products. So anyway, when you see that machine here in Jamaica, you want to make sure you know so one sister drive and sell her thing, then make sure you stop and support her. Eh? You have a lot of them here say, watch out.
Alright. Give him a blink off for your light.
Light and thing.
Show him say that I know those fabricator.
So, it have, watch out.
No man, I'm on
Here all the hand blow. Oh, bad. How will make it? An indicator.
Alright, I'm on brake still.
Come, my friend, man, no hide, man. The people they want to see you. Watch it.
It have a brake still.
Indicator, brakes, and steering.
Yeah, man, I'll gear in it too.
Yo, wait, man, me have to talk to that nice lady here. My friend, come in now, man. Listen, me are turning a superstar today. We need everything to sell off.
Yes.
So anyway, people then see you, then just buy off your thing them.
Yes.
And you are your product them right now. Yes. So massive, this is the nice, beautiful pink hair dolly that operate this beautiful machine. We're well put together to do our business. Listen, me implore upon everybody on my channel that if you see this lady in the street, tell her say you see her upon Jamaica Walk By, and you just want sponsor. You just want buy. All if you don't want a broom, you don't want none of that. But just because me send you, if you can support her, you know, go support her and just make sure say every minute she just stack up, and just have to sell. One love here, my friend. Art of love guidance on the road and thing. See, me I go make sure me start off sponsoring, because you don't know. You talk to me, push that thing, that's an idea one spot. It might not be one much, but you don't know a thing go. Blessing. So me I hope so you get way more support and thing doing your business. Art of love. What's your name again? Kerrine. Yeah. So me I say Miss Kerrine, you know. Yeah. Although you know look like them big woman, you know, but me still I say Miss Kerrine, because some of my dads make sure so me go. So big up Kerrine, Miss Kerrine, to all our youths them, everybody. Yeah, and you're there on Instagram? TikTok?
Yeah.
Yeah, where your TikTok go?
Kerrine with a
Kerrine Goodas. So she on TikTok as Kerrine Goodas. So they can shout her a message and say, yo, me just want to sponsor your business because I love when me sip on Jamaica walk by and support her thing. As easy as that. See all of my general type of big up yourself and respect. See that the selling star. That is it. Them things that me I talk about. What a vibe. Lord of mercy. Oh, you mean? Big up to Miss Kerrine or big up to Kerrine. You know what I mean? Kerrine have the mobile store too as well. Over here so look like it has set up nice. I'm not sure what them are going to sell you. So look for more. But it's a good look of energy. Love that. As we move through Giltress Avenue. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man. So let's just take our way. Take a little time and go through Giltress. Yes, Godfather. Blessings and respect, you know. Jamaica walk by. You know what I mean? I introduce the channel if you don't know it, you know? Blessings, man. Yeah, man. We do walking videos and show the whole vibe, the energy, the spirit of the place, you see me? Yeah, man. Blessings and respect. Heal up, family. No joke. Nice to go here, man. Giltress. Beautiful. All I massive them and I see the place here at time. See all another chicken spot here. Blessings, blessings, respect. Jamaica walk by. I have to introduce to people to my channel as I go along. Greetings, man, elbow bum. No, I'm not a joking channel, you know. You understand? Blessings, I'm Godfather. I run a soap and thing. Jamaica walk by, you know what I mean? We try to just capture the natural vibe, the culture, and show people them walk go on a road. You don't know if I no love or no love. You understand? That's straight love and love alone me deal with. You see me? That is it. So see the way they on the corner same way. It's a good look. So far, the persons who actually tell me if you do that stretch, I say it's vibrant. Couple business you know pass through and big up already, which is great. So far the ambience is nice. Me can't complain and thing. So Friday, so you don't know people them outside I get them food and everything look nice and thing. That is the code. Bless up, respect, respect, respect. Yeah, make a run. Yes. Respect, respect, respect. So when I general this a while again, I'm kind of skeptical because I wonder for some prank thing, eh? I don't have much, you know, but I can try to bless you up with that thing, you hear that? Wait, you say you go and sweep up the place and keep it clean? How you do it? Alright, hold on there. Big up yourself and respect, you hear that? Yeah, man. So you say you just sweep and go and keep it clean, see? Oh, see there, I'll back up some garbage. Alright. You just go and do a thing and people just bless you up and get things your way. Respect for that same speed, man. Yeah. Me's a YouTuber, you see me? I will do a couple of videos. What big up yourself and guidance here? Yeah, yeah. You watch it? Oh shoot. Yeah, Godfather. Yeah, man. It's a nice vibe. Nice vibrant town. Me like the whole feel of the place, which is great. It's not a very big place, but so far the energy up. The energy up. You know, look at copyright, you know, Richie Spice I play over there, so but that. This look like the police station. About some new development over there, so which is right. Yeah, man, no joke, no doubt, man. See place, yeah. Actually, me not in a line. The place look like our nice small town. Trust me, nice little small town. It look like. So you have the Jamaica, yeah. So pretty much, Giltress Avenue is actually Rollington Town. Yeah. So as you can see on the side, there's a Jamaica concept for Rollington Town police station. Yeah. Good evening, good evening. You have a barber shop over there so too as well. And I say so far, I say loads and loads of business place and thing, whole heap of food vendor there on the street too as well. Yeah. But look at see how you drive a bad machine. Big up yourself, my bro. Blessings. Yeah. Yeah, so when I pass all of them, I drive on beast. You don't know what we call a bad machine, a beast. So yeah. So when I pass, I say pass with the beast and we can get the video. It'll be pleasant, you see me? So you see my walk through place like a film community. I give him a big up, you know what I mean? Yeah. So if you still watch the video, please me I beg you, if you like the video, please me I beg you, if you drop to comment in the comment section. You see me? You comment in the comment section which part you know that like to see next. So that is something new when me I gonna start where if you want to see somewhere, you comment inside of the comment section on a video saying that alright you don't like to see from there so to there so, and we will go through the comment section them and write them down. And each week we will just go through and see what I have, probably just ruffle it and see where I'm going to do and we just go there. But you don't have to put in a comment section, so if you want to see a particular place, just drop a comment in the comment section of the place and we see if we can get to do it. See? Yeah.
What?
So Rollington Town, otherwise called Giltress Avenue and thing, you see me? Yeah. So we'll walk go down to the end, out of the festivities a little bit, for us to see. We'll go right at the end of it. Me say that is it, man. Big up yourself, man. You must foreigner, because foreigner them love me. Good job. Thank you for watching. Yeah. That is it. You see people them give me a love, don't it? Yeah, stop, my friend. And she stopped. Yeah. But just say, I want Dolly to Rockstone. Big up yourself, my friend. Me not cut here, my Godfather, but she's a supporter of mine. And me just like, alright, let me turn it so. Touch me then. Big up and respect. Godfather, blessings and love. See, if you're driving, you can see me from here and I say, Jamaica walk by, you watch the channel. That is it. One love.
Hello, sir.
See? I want to say, I go the way there already now. This is where I walk from. So,
You come to the fried chicken one already? The famous fried chicken?
I wish one of them that. Come.
At the bus stop.
They're the bus stop.
Rollington Town fried chicken.
No man, them have to go circle him. Because I just say me I walk out and see how the rest I stretch them stay. Alright, massive, I'm going to show you a little bit down so, but we are going to check out the Rollington Town fried chicken, man. It's one famous fried chicken, man, down here. From my supporter, them say, go this and them here go. You see me? Take it easy. One love. So here so we have the fire brigade station and thing. So I say me just want to show now a little bit on the outskirts. So yeah. Mad. We'll go down to the corner and then we'll forward to the town. Cause I want to find the Rollington Town fried chicken. Manners, respect. Godfather, easy blessings, man. See, yeah, it's a good vibe. No cartel that are playing, so we have to mute it. So I just want to personally big up to that beautiful lady who actually healed me up when time she passed and thing. You know what I mean? I probably catch her, but I'm not sure. You understand? She didn't want to go on the camera still, but forgive me if you see me catching that one little clip and say, Ray, but one love. Thank you so much for watching Jamaica Walk By and supporting. Because if me I walk like this and you can pick me up from the angle which you forward from, that means you have to really watch Jamaica Walk By. And I super duper appreciate that. So it's all love, it's all blessing. I mean, I've words to tell you how much I want to say thank you for watching my channel. So me I say big up to everybody else who watch Jamaica Walk By too. You know what I mean? Yeah, as Robert say, if all YouTubers me big up, no Robert, me I tell you again, most of the people that we big up are not YouTubers at all. But they probably have some name that make it sound like a YouTuber name they have, but it is not. You see me? So, yeah man, big up all of my supporters them on Jamaica Walk By. Couldn't do it without them. Manners, yeah. You know, whole heap of liquor spot, I'm not telling a joke thing. Yeah bro, mad, respect. So see a lot of places up on the outskirts too as well. You have a flower shop here, so which is nice. If I never fall down that side, I'm gonna see them because spot where I can give a little bit of highlight to as well. See there? White flower shop. Yeah man, right on the corner. Respect. Yeah. So far the vibe is nice. I like the attitude of the people and on the ends and thing. You know what I mean? Jamaica Walk By. You know what I mean? So we just showcase the natural vibe in our country, the energy, promote some people business, even if them know or not. You know what I mean? They always appreciate it, you know? So that is the vibe. So we do just an episode on Giltress Avenue, you see me boss? So we actually walk out of festivities with a showcase right down to the end, you know? Yeah man. So see all the flower shop, the White's flower shop, I have to give them a shout out a while ago. If me did stop up there some more and get to see them, I say even this down here so. And that's the vibe of the channel, you know? Many people say you can pass through so people business can get to flourish. Yeah, that is it man. Big up and respect my teacher. Godfather, blessings man. Yeah, the right energy always bring in the people. Because people request a place and I say, God Giltress, and showcase it, the vibe nice around there and be things as some reach. You see me? Why me I tell you say me like it. From the video start, people just all shout me and say, yo, what you are doing? I say, yeah, Jamaica walk by. I say, yo, come video me thing them now. Give me some showcase on the platform, and you know me like that. Me I kind of walk and see how people know about Jamaica walk by. Can I say, Fabian, are you that? And thing. The building, yeah? You know me that look on a while ago? Oh, 43. I could live 1843 that you know? It's a 1943. That is it. Authentic. No joke, no doubt. You see how them a place here? You see if you do a video shoot and them thing there, are the best look you get. Yeah man. So me I go try find somebody just tell me say me fi find Rollington Town fried chicken. Him not come out yet. I wonder if I him there at the bar. Me thinks Mrs. one right at front, like Mrs. somebody has set up and it look like a bunch of thing. It look active like something big. Right on the right hand side there. Yeah. I look like I see him spot. Yes. I see him spot. Him a put out. So massive right there me I go walk go. Remember when I pass a while ago me that video and I say look like a crazy thing I go on over there, so we definitely I go over there and check out that spot there right here now. You see me? So big up again my teacher. One love, you hear that? See. So this is the vibe of the town. It's a great look, so make a walk through. Take it easy. Back to Rollington Town fried chicken. It look like I was right. The same person who never did put out yet. And thing. Good afternoon. I introduce you to my channel in Jamaica Walk By.
Walk by, what do? On YouTube?
Yeah, on YouTube, yes. So I beg you to subscribe. So I walk and show the natural vibe of the country. Jamaica Walk By. Alright? One love here. Yep. You don't want to see yourself though? Yeah? You don't want to see yourself, Fanny? That is it about Jamaica Walk By. We're not supposed to be prepared because it's natural and real. It's like how you clean up now. That is what life is. Alright. One love here? Yeah. Cool. It's a nice building over there, so I make to love the look of it so far. Nice. So, Rollington Town, Giltress Avenue. So big up to everybody who take a little time out to talk to me today. If you not watch back that video, I really appreciate it. You know what I mean? When I make the video have a nice little vibe, a nice little energy too as well, which me love, you see me? So as we take time roll through, yeah, we'll go back to Rollington Town fried chicken. If you not hear me mute it, a music. Godfather, you're an artist. Jamaica Walk By, you know, I normally showcase artists and stuff on the platform, you see me? But me here you say shoot video. Yeah. So I ask if you're an artist. Yeah. Ah. Yeah. So massive, you don't know, say, I have to pass through. Once I pass, and you know, from then say artists, I have to give them a showcase and thing. Blessings and respect now, man. Big up and respect. Jamaica walk by, you see me? When you go in, you can look on the social and see the joke thing. So, yeah, so as me pass a while ago, me and I talk about music video and things. So, who else? Right? That means he's a professional artist, so we have to showcase him on the platform. And we're there in a Rollington Town. See? But the man named Skeptical.
Skeptical. Take with them sexy girl.
Yeah, my under my yard, you know, so you're careful, you know. How we are though? Yeah, but you don't know, say, Skeptical, take away all like man them girl, you know what I mean? So, where the man forward from?
Rollington Town, man.
Rollington Town. See, how long now you doing music?
Over a couple of years now, you see it.
Couple of years, what you say? First love?
Yeah, from a longer while, you know.
Figure that.
Yeah.
How you mean? So what are the latest single out here now?
Yeah, you know, I have some song I'm put up with you on the YouTube. I do all the music video the other day, you know, named Been Through.
Been Through.
Been Through.
So,
Get
Been Through by Skeptical.
Yeah.
Say
it's all about life mixed with the pain. Every day couldn't be the same. Work out in the sun, wet up in the rain. Forget the food, I'm never shame. Them things say me gone, but me still remain. Listen good now, make me explain. I know 1, 2, 3, I know it's a game. Me never sell out, me them couldn't tame. I just run the world, get a youth, so I want thing. Get a youth wise up now and a ramping. Say a prayer to the Father, me thank him. Show me the way down, make me do the wrong thing. Hey, get a youth, make me tell you something. And everyone lucky with the gun thing. Look for the wolves where they in a sheep clothing. Me, you can't stop me, I wanna got chosen. You know, so that's one of the songs them up.
Blows that skirt, that is it. So we say look like a limp on the culture and the more positive vibe, right?
Yeah, but we're all over.
You mix it. Yeah man, cause we are artists, have a versatile.
Yeah,
you know what I mean? But
so it depends on the rhythm you get.
Yeah.
And the vibes you feel off of the rhythm. I say you kick them like a ball.
Yeah, some artists, why not give them the one where I say money are coming like roll up, you know, got the boss and get the bonus and them thing there.
Them songs that was back them time they still, but
My song that is like
it's here why you give piece of fame song. Yeah, make we hear it. I need a love to hear that song then. If I'm a piece.
Roll up a whole heap of song, man. You see me I say?
But what are your favorite
That
song?
song where even Boom Boom usually play Top Town Mondays and certain places still. You see it? When they see me roll up, bang I never style, money can't don't stuck. I feel live life now can me grow rough. Me fresher than the pastry go wax, donut. Roll up. You never call the money no fall up. You see me I say?
Step to the boss, go for the bonus.
Yeah. Listen, if you don't have the music and have a bridging like this, we are going to say a fame song like man. Nobody do it, man. Skeptical. Oh, you been?
The cook shop one.
Take away every man, girl.
Said we are.
So that's like them a whole heap of song, whole heap of song.
So say Skeptical, so they can reach out on every platform at Skeptical. Spell a Skeptical so they can know.
Skeptikal.
Say it again.
Skeptikal.
That is
I
it.
know we have the Vivo and we have our next channel, Skeptical Sky Levels. People them for just check it out and go subscribe.
That is it. So you're on TikTok, Instagram too.
TikTok, Instagram. We have only a song for the girl them too, man.
Cheers,
Girl, oh your body fit so. She said there's something sweet than the flipping kiss call. Action time when them just a lip so. Hey girl, if you left me, me miss you. But you know me nah cry if you go by that is you. Bend your back for the cock that at the is you. Take off your tongue but me not see score. Why you want slow jam or you prefer this score? When you put it in, from me you go a swollen from the blackboard. Yeah man.
Skeptical! Yeah! Hey, massive, that's why I saw me say that we always have a build a vibe with me artists them. See it then, man. You can't part with Skeptical and go back road. You have to have many girl.
That's what I said. From where you go a school in front the blackboard. Me y'all sit on the black sword full of girls, so me now have to end up a back road full of girls, so me now have to end up a back road. Yeah, man.
But, yo, where the G are there? Where are they?
I want Boogitaros,
big up every time. Be like your vibe, be like your energy.
That's a Rollington Town, you know.
Yeah, man.
Around the burger.
Yes.
Waterloo.
Kabuki cook shop, you don't know.
Same place.
You get your breakfast and your lunch ready at 10:30, 11:30.
Man.
Breakfast ready from 7. The latest, you get me. Right,
That
you
is
say you
it,
get
man.
your run down, you see me and say with the food and the rice and peas, with the turkey neck and the rice, the chicken and thing. Me think loud man, from
Cheese
artists there,
and
me think
peas,
can't
man.
flap, you see me?
That is it.
Yes,
That's a
man.
code.
How
So,
you mean?
Skeptical.
Yeah,
you know what I mean? I hope so you get some more fans from this whole heap more fans if you know say yo skeptical and we there send most artists them viral same speed because of energy. So persons can actually see a natural vibe of you where they would never get to see. See me? Jamaica walk by.
Jamaica walk by.
Yeah.
So don't talk by. You see me I say?
See it then man.
Them a dream for see you flop. But just make them keep on yap. Jamaica walk by them rising, keep on rising to the top. Them alright, that's
Big up our respect. Respect for that.
Tell them don't mess around, because if they mess around, always remember the thing them load. Don't cross yes on a bridge that road. Machine rinse but they get soaked like clothes. Couple hole in your face and marrow exposed. Don't cross yes on a bridge now road. The rifle them tall we no walk with boats. Squeeze up the chick and put it in a fast mode. People a rough skin and get wet like post. So we still a pray money young girl but me just for
Don't show this way.
You don't can't talk to me right now. What special for the black me get? You don't think a joke thing? Yeah. I saw me do my thing, bro. Skeptical.
Keep him going. You see me
That is
Jamaica
it.
youth promote the thing. You see me. Tell a friend to tell a friend. You know, like, subscribe it now. Don't do you nothing just for just say like something. You see me.
Boy, I'm glad me the forward.
Sometimes it just you see me just bust a youth. You give me just press a button.
Straight.
You don't have to say come back, come do nothing. Just press a like and look for something and gone. Next time something come, if you like it, you look for it. But if you press one like, you have to press it too.
Good again.
You see me, big up.
Figure that. One love. Skeptical.
One love.
Make sure everybody follow him.
Yeah,
check out the music. The energy is right and things. See? Skeptical all over. Remind them of the new song again.
Been through.
Been through.
You have money young girl. You have rugged and rough. Only per song or haters. Haters say no wanna see me. Enough of them song they out there.
Jeez,
So them
peas.
cannot support the song them.
Like
Up when your girl my broke. All when I want me still look it on the tar. No them money enough. Like my wonder whole of Savlamar, man a star. Girl I watch me like them over your avatar.
Weird. Full of song.
up in your girl, my bro.
Darling, where's the full of song? I one love, see it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so you can look out for that video anytime
Yes,
this
ma'am.
week you see him speed. See it?
Anytime.
Blessings. Skeptical again. Jamaica walk by.
You know
Yeah,
what they want,
one love.
Jamaican. What me there on TV?
That is it.
JBC this.
We're going past JBC, you know.
JBC.
Jamaica walk by. Big station you want to know. Outside.
Yo, hey, you're not going to make me stay as a whole day. So check out the channel and you don't know a thing, go see? Art of Love. So massive, that was Skeptical, you know what I mean, here in Rollington Town, Giltress Avenue, you know what I mean. Make sure you check out the music them on all social media, all platforms, is it? Skeptical, remember the name, get used to it, you know what I mean. The vibe, the energy was just incredible. So it's all blessings, it's all love to Skeptical here in Rollington Town. It's a good look, you see me. So no joke, no. Persons you want to come to Rollington Town, you can always look him up on our social media platform. Give him a link and say Ray and Tay and all I produce of them, shot a vibe, shot a rhythm and all back of energy. It's just great. I feel good. So we are head back up in the town to see if we can find Rollington Town fried chicken. Yeah, that is it. What a vibe. Oh my word. So it's a good look and let's continue like this. Big up all Rollington Town, massive. All Giltress Avenue, massive. No joke, no doubt. Here's it. Yeah, man. Let's go. Woo. Flavor up. Flavor up your life. Yeah. You're a teacher. It's a bar, huh?
Come on, me, yeah? I'm going to fling on the people them out here. I'm going to tell you say that to a man car.
God. Maybe I can feel you moving away, baby. I can feel you moving, hey. Oh, every day. Oh yes, in every way. Side of me, I can feel it moving. Yeah. Godfather, blessings and respect. You know, so I pass this spot. I reach way down at one part. And I one of my subscribers see me and say, yo, you not stop at Rollington Town fried chicken. And I say, no, so when me a pass it, if I him, it look like I set him not ready yet. And you know, say, you for real, because he ready up and got it now. So, with this rural spot, you have to go tap and do a different kind of feature with this spot here. So my subscriber they will tell me say yo me need to go to Rollington Town and stop a Rollington Town fried chicken. Yo, who could tell me say I want KFC franchise there right just so park up on the street or something. Jamaica walk by. No other food channel but we feature everything. We walk through and show the natural ambience, natural vibe and everything. You see me? So massive. Rollington fried. Yo, I'm from way down at one part down me say that me reaching and I say, yeah man, me a smelly fried chicken man, so it look like me there real nearby. You understand? When me reach and I want to look for the chicken there right and I want my belly start growing. You don't never tell me say it's a KFC franchise man up for the street side right and so. You don't never give me the description good. Eh? Look for the blouse and skirt chicken them me father. Eh? Look at chicken them pretty me G. Look for the closer shot. What's that man?
RFC.
Almighty.
RFC within here, yeah?
RFC.
RFC, yeah.
Cheese and peas.
Roadside fried chicken.
Roadside fried chicken. Rollington Town. Look at chicken them pretty man. Watch out. Cheese. Oh, you sell it now? What pricing go?
Oh, the price of $1,800 and $1,400 for the cheese. So one piece of $800, 2 piece of $1,000, and if you go up in the cheap piece, you have 14. Only have to sparkling design and very clean.
And very clean. Cheese and peas, roadside fried chicken. Me I go want a 2 piece, I want a leg and tie there, no car. Me can't pass this spot here.
Ready feel good.
Right now, me there film a superstar, you know, so I open a mind.
You just see me come regular.
You hear that massive?
Yeah.
Cheese and peas, watch your man. You want a chicken? Eh? Watch your man. More your bag a leg and tie there for me, because I can't pass it.
Yes,
so massive. All of what tell me RFC.
RFC boss.
Cheese and peas, roadside fried chicken.
When a cap, never miss.
She look at chicken and pretty. Me blouse and skirt.
Video.
Yeah man, we are work. Oh, you mean they not natural? No man, it's all natural because this is a living testimony and I hear a woman say, hey, you she ain't sick, you still that tired her. Eh? And listen, she not even know say me a film. She know say no joke thing. Look good now, man.
Season to the bone, well done.
Jeez,
nice and proper.
Best
Yeah.
on the east,
Best on the east, best on the west.
Mighty.
Nothing to regret.
And this a forward from
Best.
a customer.
Yeah.
Eh? Oh my, Mr. Brother. When me reach down there, so me reach and me see all a big van pull up on my foot and say, you know, stop a Rollington Town fried chicken. I say, Rollington Town fried chicken. A man think no a roadside fried chicken. So we are going to remember his name. And I say, no, say look like him name put out yet if I really him. But massive, see there? Right in a Rollington Town. RFC. Big up and respect, man. Roadside fried chicken. So, you do fries and them thing that too?
Yeah.
You're the boss of fried
Jesus Christ, why?
A chicken and fried tomato. Well done.
Peace, man.
Everything gonna go viral. Everything.
Oh, God,
Everybody come here, so everybody come check me out, go viral.
Jesus, peace, man. Look there, man.
No, everybody check me out just to go viral.
Mighty. Yeah, we are there on YouTube. Man, you Jamaica walk by. Yeah? Yeah, man, I respect your living testimony because we can't make up this. Yeah. So you are going to do the fries. Right now, so for the $1,000 with the 2 pieces, you get fries with their fries separate. You get fries. Oh, Jesus, all it better. Almighty.
Well,
so leg and tie for me with some fries because I know so you're going to need the fries right now. So massive OMG, it's all a greater vibe in Rollington Town, you know what I mean? We're there so right on the block with roadside fried chicken. Right, a roadside fried chicken. So I'm here showing you which I don't know, so you can't miss the spot. So you have Tech Zone right there, so, and you have Shepherd RFC Meats right there, so, and you don't know you have the Supreme Ventures building also right there, so you see exactly which part in there. Once you see the blue tent here right there, Supreme Ventures retailer right there, same there Rollington Town. You know forward out in the number. You understand? You know nobody go join the big long line there, they mother band the place, you know can come and so come join a line for we local and get even better. You understand? No joke, quick and faster too. You understand? As the lady says, season to the bone, bro. You understand? We are going to try it and we are going to show you. Because I'm there and at this thing there. We hear the people them in the street talking about that spot here and we're there. So no joke, no doubt. You understand? And we are praying for safety and protection and covering our vibes so we can go and do it and go and feed the nation. And there are safety and everything good. You see me? No joke, no doubt. Is that energy? Rollington Town. One love. Thank you to everybody who actually stay tuned and watch a video. And think me there wait for my leg and tie and my fries to hit the road. You see it? So we are close the right so with the man himself. Roadside fried chicken.
RFC boss, roadside fried chicken, the finger licking way. You know when I cap our chicken are the best.
Best, and you stand by your product, what you mean?
If you know,
hey, good
fling over the camera upon the chicken.
Jesus Christ, one more time.
One more time.
Jesus, yes. Look how the chicken them a bubble. Oh my word. Me there, and we are testify to it. One love, big up all Rollington Town, massive, yeah. Big up all Giltress Avenue, massive, same speed. Giltress Street, scene. So blessings and respect, and that's how we are doing it. One love, thank you so much for watching. We're outside, mad, so let's go.